oba oyagala Lumbuye batomwagala ne security alert nkulu nze nabitandika era nja bikomekkereza neno security alert nkulu nkiddamu nkulu nze nabitandika era nze njo bikomekkereza nga maze okusavinga bensavinga oba onjagala oba tonjagala provided you a human being nakugamba owulizanga nnyo omuntu akukalakata wa criticizinga sometimes abakudirectinga ku kintu ekituufu tofokasinganga nnyo n'okwagala omuntu akwogerako ebirungi aba akuwabya bulirizanga nnyo omuntu gwe tuyita criticizing oba omuntu aba akugamba ekituufu gwe ku byakugamba nti bikyamu olina okulondamu bituufu kati njagala mumpulirize bulungi nnyo Yoweri Museveni, the son of Karekes, has been all along using different ways of assassinating his opponents. Although, on several occasions, he had been denying publicly that he can't kill his opponents. But that is a big lie. That's what we call self-denial or a deception. Is good at lying and pretend. Uliriza bulungi nnyo. Oyo yeseri.
We don't believe in assassinations of opponents, that somebody is against me, so I kill him. Why do I kill him? By killing him, it means that his argument is so powerful that I have no answer to it. And therefore the only way is to kill him. But the NRM is absolutely sure. Whatever we do, we are sure it is correct. In all these almost 60 years, when we were part of the student movement, in the 1960s, when we were fighting the regime of Amin, when we were fighting UPC, all these years after that, we are absolutely sure that we are right, if we are on the right position. If not, we change our position. We say, no, we didn't understand this, now we understand it better. So why do we fear, why would I fear anybody to kill him so that I silence him? Why? And when I was at Kororo, I explained that by killing your opponents, first of all, you create permanent enmity between you and the people.